Hello again, welcome to the second part of our tutorial experiment. I decided to make a second part because the first one saw a fair amount of views so far, more than my usual viewership. So still there's not any comments or anything like that, so hopefully this would be watched more. Today I'm going to try to make the video shorter. Probably I'll try to compress everything to 15 minutes or so, because I want to complete a task. Let's set a goal and try to achieve it. If you're just stumbling upon this video, there is going to be most likely a link that you can see the first part there where I'm explaining what I'm doing. So without further ado, let's get to it. So we left it over yesterday when we made the logic for logging in and out and registering a user. So I'll simply quickly restart the service and make sure everything works. And now I'm gonna open. I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just did restart here. I was showing the wrong screen. Anyways, I'm not gonna re-record this. So I'm just going to show you the result. By the way, I worked a little bit in the morning on it before I get to work. As I said, I'd like to use my free tokens, and I'm not a fan of paying by the word. So I'm using the paid version of Claude Sonnet. So here's the login form. Yesterday was even more stretched than today. I told it to wrap it. I'm not really sure if it did wrap this one. No. Yeah. Well, kind of. It's kind of a mobile friendly. So we have a register and login form we tested yesterday. There's a little bug that we have to fix. Right now we're going directly to the admin panel. And I think the reason for that is because I am an admin. But if I go back here, it automatically sends me to the dashboard. I asked Claude to style it a little bit and add this button and log out. So log out actually works now. Let's see if I can log with the other user that we registered called Rob, because Rob is not admin. In this case, it's taking me directly to dashboard. And when I log with the Elon fan, who is admin, it takes me to this one. But I don't really like this excuse me, behavior, because I already have a button that takes me to the admin panel if I am an admin. Eventually we should put like a go back button to go to the dashboard, but that's not so important at the moment. View interview is probably gonna, I don't know, list the data that comes from the API. I'm still thinking about how to make the front end for the website, whether it should be using Flask or maybe some more famous JS framework like Angular or Vue, or what was the other one from Facebook? I forgot the name now, it escaped my mind. But anyways, any of those probably Claude will be able to assist us with. You can generate tokens. Also, this is not the best practice. You know, you should probably when you go to this menu, you should probably have a list of generated tokens. You don't want to every time generate new one, but for now this is just I guess step in the right direction. The database also works. The database viewer, it's on 50/50. So let's log in and see what we have here. I suppose every time I restart, I lose the connection. So I need to create a new connection. and type a password. So let's see what we have here. Schemas. So if I go to tokens, I have a bunch of those, and they all belong to this guy, number one. And if I go to users, I probably have only two, which is, oh, I have three. Nice. And this one is not a admin. And in interviews, I don't know if I have something on this machine. I do. Okay. So let's see what's the first thing that we want to fix. We don't want this behavior where after we log in, we go directly to admin menu. I'm gonna try to quickly fix this myself. And yeah, because I don't think it's really worth it to spend tokens on that. And maybe we can do a little bit more improvements on the front end. So the error here would most likely be in the routes. So it should be here, and it should be in the login. So login successful. So this sends me to the dashboard, and this one is sending me here. So in both cases, if we want to go to this, we just need to delete this line, these two lines, and it should take us there. So let's give it a try. Log out, log in. Awesome. Okay. So maybe let's see, in interviews I can see and I can edit things here. I don't know how it's going to handle the connections between the tables because, for example, okay, there's no connections at the moment. So let's see if we can make this one to go back to the dashboard. My assumption, this would be in app. Yes, so here this is the name, but how do I set the path where I want this thing to go when I click on it? I suppose there's some parameter here, so probably this is a good thing that we can start our conversation with. So let's go ahead and start a new call, a new conversation with Claude. So I am, where do I go? When I click on this title in the admin, I get, shit. Maybe this is where it's sending me secure admin. Let's see what secure admin index does. Okay, is accessible, return current user, is authenticated and is admin. If it's inaccessible, send me back to login. Okay, so let's see. I get to go back to /admin. Is it possible to change this, or can we add a custom button in the menu of the admin panel to go back to / dashboard. Let's see. To modify the behavior of admin panel title or add custom button, go back to dashboard, we can make a few changes. Okie dokie. So custom index. Expose. What? I don't understand this. So this is in. Okay. But how does this create the button? Custom admin index view. Replace the existing instantiation with. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go on the other screen because I want to be able to see both things at the same time. So I'm gonna put this one here. So custom admin index view. What? Create custom. Okay. Because at the moment I'm defining two functions is accessible. Okay. Admin index view. Okay. Then I have to replace the existing admin instantiation. Index view equals to secure, and this is custom admin view. Okay, got it. And then in app UI I have to add okay, I add link to the menu. Got it. Actually I don't want to go there, but it's okay. Create custom custom that redirect to the login page if the user isn't authenticated. Add dashboard route to the administrative view. Oh no, I don't want to. This is useless. This part is useless because it thinks that I want to go to a dashboard and actually I want to go back. So basically all we need to do is add this. So I'm gonna go back and in the app pie where I create the admin, I'm simply going to add this, and instead of going there I'm gonna be making it like this. Okay, let's see. Going back to 3, refresh. Yikes, I broke something really bad. Okay, I guess I'm more stupid than I thought. It doesn't like menu item. Okay, let's ask Claude what he thinks about this. Oh, there you go. It's from Flask admin. I need to add a menu link. So I have to go to, yes, this kind of errors are getting repetitive. So I'm starting to understand how to fix them without their help. So this is how you learn. So let's restart again, and I'm gonna run again here. It should work now. Oh my god, it's not working. Why like this? Now the problem is cannot import menu link from Flask admin. Okay, let's see what it says. Flask admin. Flask admin. Why like this? Flask admin. Huh. Then let's try to ask Claude. This is when it's very invaluable. I apologize for the confusion. It's not directly importable. Blah blah blah. Okie dokie. And then I'm going to come here, and instead of doing this, I'm gonna do that. Let's go back. Shit, not here. Down, up. Awesome. So great. Admin panel, and then we have a link back to dashboard. Admin panel, back to dashboard. Perfect. Okay, that's good. We fixed a small problem, but this is too small. Oh, nice. This is completely mobile friendly. So let's test if we can teach or oh no, this is also mobile friendly. Nice, that's good. No need to do anything here. Then let's work a little bit on the registration. Okay, which files I modified? I modified basically app. So I'm gonna go quickly and remove app, and I'm going to just a second, find it, and I dropped the file there. So there you go. Oops, not like this. What? Why cannot drag it? There you go. All right. So now we have all the files, and I'll just directly start a new chat, and I will ask it to. As a matter of fact, I don't know. I think I have updated the data dashboard logging and register. So I'm gonna remove those. So dashboard, logging, and register, and I'm gonna re-upload them so it has the latest version. There you go. All right, where are they? I don't see them. User. What the hell? Okay, I will just drop them again. Boom. Where are my goddammit HTML files? Oh, I'm not gonna say what I did, but it was very stupid. There you go. Okay, now we have everything. So what we want to do is change the registration form and have the password twice. So we start a new file. We say now things work. What the hell did I write? Fine, but I would like to have in the registration form password confirmation field that for now checks for both passwords being equal, and if it is not too much work, we can also add some password complexity checks with some configurable rules. I don't know, sounds pretty logical. I understood. So password register. Okay, that form looks pretty dry. Okay, so let's give it a try. So I'm gonna copy this to our register. What the hell? No, I have way more things in my register form and it's much longer. Oh, it says update. Oh, whoa. Oh my god, so I almost replaced everything. Okay. Good. So then I'll just replace this one here. Register form. Hold on. There's no action in the form. This is what my current form looks like. Why we do not have action? I apologize. I told you not to apologize, but what to do? LLMs are LLMs. They're polite and annoying. Okay, so let's go back and see what we need to do. Update old service. Okay, this is gonna be in services, old service. Class old service. I'm afraid to copy paste entire files, but because shit. Nah, I'm too lazy for that. So please apply the changes for out service to the file you see in the beginning of the chat. So the reason why I'm doing it is not because I'm lazy, but actually this is the main purpose to increase your productivity. I used to do this by hand in GPT-4, but GPT-4 didn't have my code base, and this one does. And that's why I'm paying it for. You know, when you hire someone, you want the person to do what you're paying him for, and I pay Anthropic to give me proper files. I didn't really read everything, but I assume everything should be correct. We'll see. Then, okay, and then we have to update the register web routes. Web routes. So I need to change only the register. So I'll show you what it gives me. It's only this. So I'm gonna copy that and go here and register, which is this guy. All right. Good. So let's do a quick restart. Down, up, and refresh. Okay, so the username is going to be Joe. Email is going to be joe@x.com. So I'm going to try password 123, and then I'm going to do password 1234. And when I step out of it, yikes. All right. I didn't really pay too much attention how it wants to give me this error message. But I'm going to just drop it. And in the meantime, I'm going to search for this is what happens when I click register and both pass or don't match. In the meantime, I'm going to have a look at how exactly the error is handled. As we see, there's no fields where the errors are shown. So the action is web register, the method is post. Let's see what it does in this. Here are the rules, blah 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 blah. Not ideal. I mean, I would prefer to have some settings that I can just type, not anyways. So is password valid? Okay, but return none, return none, return none. Okay, hash password. It returns a lot of things, but it doesn't really show them. So let's have a look what it says. No, it doesn't say anything. Okay, I didn't press the send button. What? Send? Did I just reach my limit? Apparently I have pressed the button, but it just gave me some error. Let me see what else it asked me to do. Register, but it doesn't even show the errors anywhere. Due to expected capacity constraints, Claude is unable to respond to your message. Oh my god. I think our video is going to be cut short today. I want to try in text. This is what I get when I press register with unmatching password. If we get another error, we're gonna call it a day. I mean, at least we fixed the route. Shit. Let's refresh. Okay, still remembers. Nice, I like how it formats all the error messages. Yeah. Can I put this in ChatGPT? No. Let's give it one more try. Can I switch to a different model? What do I have? I have 3.0 Opus. Let's try that. Okay. Sonnet is gone, but this one works. Okay. So to fix the error message, register user out. Oh, but does this one even? Oh yeah, it has files. Okay. Class expecting confirm password, but it's not provided when the method is called. To fix this issue, you need to update register user method in out service. Okay. Let's have a look. Register. There you go. So, here's how you can modify. Okay, I'm not going to read the code. That's actually shorter. Shit. Okay, let's give it a try. Dang it. Okay. And this one needs to go here. Okay. Additionally, make sure that the register route in outpy is passing the correct arguments to register user. Okay, let's see. Outpy in routes. BP route register. Okay, so I'm going to change that. Oops, not this one, the whole thing. It doesn't look like there's much change here. After making these changes, should no longer expect confirm password. Okay, good. So let's do a restart again. Probably I don't need that again, but what to do? Okay, so this user is going to be barn. It's going to be barn at x.com. Password's going to be 123, and the other password is going to be 123. Let's see what's going to happen. I think I got registered. Barn 123. Yep, it works. Okay, let's try to register boss at x.com, and we're gonna try with the wrong passwords. Okay, boss. 123. Okay, that doesn't work. So that means that Claude Opus is full of shit. Yeah. Let's see if we can go back to Sonnet. Okay. Nah. What was the error that I sent? Let's see, projects. Okay. Switch to Sonnet. I really wonder when they're gonna come up with Opus 3.5. This is gonna be a game changer. Okay. What the actual fuck? Oh. See, now we have something. Now we have to update this. Awesome. Alright. or not. Oh yeah, there you go. This is the message. So let's see, copy. I'm gonna put this in register. Doesn't seem to be different for, oh, nah, my man, why like this? So this is giving me everything inside the body without the actual body. So Jesus. Okay, all right, this one looks longer. Then we have auth service. What exactly you want me to do here? First if they register method auth service by, okay. This is auth service. The rest of the class remains the same. Okay. Good. And register route. Register route. So we go to routes auth, and then I have to find register. There you go. Okay. We're gonna let's see if it works, and then we're gonna analyze and see what it does if it works, because I don't want to analyze code that doesn't work. Good. So I will restart quickly and test. Problem is I'm running out of ideas for names. So this is going to be ggg, email is going to be ggg@x.com, password is going to be 123, and the other one is going to be 1234. Oh, password does not match. Okay. So ggg@x.com, 123 123. Yeah, I guess I only have check. Okay, so let's say this one works, but I'm gonna ask it to please make this error message when password not matched go under the second password field and make it red and a bit smaller, because this is bullshit to be below the button. So it's gonna generate the code. I assume it's gonna be yeah. So this goes in the H1. Okay. Now let's update to pass the specific error to the template. So in auth route, I have to put the register. Okay. Down, up. Okay, so hhh at x.com, 123 1234. Nice, that looks good. Let's add something else. Let's not I mean, we have to use JavaScript for that. Is it possible to, nah, it's too complicated. Can we save the values for email and name, so when we press, and passwords, so when we press register and there is a problem, we have the form still filled up. Let's see. This is kind of a annoying part of programming, ensuring these things work, and these are things that you have to do everywhere correctly. Nice. Ooh, it's slowing down. So I have to change this again to Alt. No problem. Oof, it became short. Okay. And then it wants me to update the div again. The issue is that I'm afraid there's something wrong here because it became shorter. Usually the code doesn't get shorter with these models, but let's try. So refresh. No, JJ, okay, at g.com, 123, 1234, register, okay, 123, 123, register, haha, JJJ, 123, login, okay. We're not losing this information, but we are losing the password. But I think that's okay. Let's see. Key at gmail.com. Password 1234 123. Register. Okay, so I'll put password like this. And then I'm going to put password like this. Password doesn't match. Okay. So yeah, more or less it works. There's no actual. By the way, let's try this JJJ 123 password. Oops. JJJ 1234 password. Okay, maybe it was 4 times J. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Okay, good. So it looks like it works. The thing's a little slow today, so I'm not even sure I'm gonna upload this. But if I do, and if you're still watching, thank you very much. I'm gonna make a list of more nice things to do. We're gonna finally start expanding on the actual API. I mean, yeah, on the API, we're gonna start adding stuff. Interestingly, this one doesn't get code anymore. Yeah. Fuck it. Let's see if it checks actually for existing users. If I try to register, say, Elon Fan, I'm not showing you the screen, but I'm going to tell you what happened. Just give some email and then some password 123 123. Yeah, let me show you. Three. The error actually is here when the thing exists. Yeah, I think the things are starting to get inconsistent because see, if I make a password that doesn't match, it's gonna give me error here. But if I give it a password that does match, actually checks that this is already existing account. So the problem is yeah, the issue is here. It's in the service, it's doing okay. Password do not match. Filters return username that already exist, and an email already exists. That's good. The question is why it's handled in two different ways. So let's have a look. If password, because I told it explicitly to do it there. Oh my god, she's so stupid. Yeah, let's fix this one. Let's unify the error message display by using same form above the first field in the form below the register h1. Please, let's see which one I want to use. I want to use please use format only for all messages, because this is going to give me this nice pink rectangular. So let's see what it's going to update. Yeah, see, it puts it right after here. It's using this and puts all the messages. So I think I can, this time it gave me the whole document. Let's see how it looks. Okay, copy. So I'm gonna replace the entire register. I hope this also looks shorter. Let's update register. Okay, so go to register, outpy. Oops, I almost deleted the wrong one. Okay, let's see. Oh, nice. Let's register a new one. So I'm going to register q at x.com, and password's going to be 123123. Then okay, nice. This one should have been up anyways. So I'm going to have to shift this in, but I can actually shift this in the login form by myself by going there. Let me show you. So in the login form, we want this alert to be, instead of here, below here. Okay. Okay, so Control C. What the fuck? Yep. So let's register one more. We're gonna do www at x.com 123 register. See, this one is on top now. Great. So now I can try to register again q and then q at x.com 123. Oops, I'm not showing you. Sorry. 123 register. Boom. That's a good thing. So it says username already exists, but if I do q1 and put like proper password, it says email already exists. But if I put q1 and put 123 1234, it says password doesn't match. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom, user created. Okay, I think this is a good place to end it for today. I certainly hope, yeah, this is a good thing. We have fixed the links. So now we can, if I'm admin, I can go to admin, or I can go back to the dashboard. In the admin, I can see different things. And I have a proper login. I have a registration with checking the form and displaying the error messages. So I would say that's a good end for today. I know it was not too much of an informative video, but I promise you tomorrow I'll do more. I mean, if it's tomorrow, let's see when I'm gonna have time. Thanks.